Hey, fellow money navigators, welcome back to
Finance advice.
the channel where we untangle the financial mysteries of everyday life. Today, we're diving into a topic that hits close to home for many of us: middle-class money traps. Ever feel like you're stuck in a financial maze, working hard but not seeing the progress you'd expect? You're not alone. Today, we expose the sneaky pitfalls that the middle class often stumbles upon. It's like a game of financial Jenga. One wrong move, and the tower comes crashing down. But fear not, we're not just pointing fingers, we're offering solutions. Get ready for an eye-opening ride through the twists and turns of living, spending, and striving for financial success in the middle class. By the end of this video, you'll recognize these traps and have a toolkit to dodge them. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's steer clear of the middle-class money traps together. 1. Consumer debt. The silent monster lurks behind the slogans, "Buy now, pay later," ensnaring countless families in a web of financial stress and uncertainty. Consumer debt is a deceptively attractive beast disguised as convenience and accessibility. From credit cards to personal loans, it whispers promises of immediate gratification, urging us to indulge in desires beyond our current means. Swipe, spend, repeat might seem harmless at first. After all, the plastic card in our wallets holds the power to turn our wants into instant possessions. However, many fail to realize the high cost of this convenience. Consumer debt is a slippery slope. At first, it's a modest balance that we promise ourselves to pay off quickly. However, the ease of swiping often leads to a snowball effect. High interest rates, compounded by late fees, transform that innocent swipe into a growing financial burden. As the debt snowball gains momentum, it can quickly become unmanageable, overshadowing our ability to save, invest, and secure our financial future. The dream of owning the latest gadgets or enjoying luxurious vacations might seem within reach, but the long-term consequences can be crippling. Credit cards often create a false sense of security with their enticing limits and seemingly infinite possibilities. They paint a picture of a financial safety net, but in reality, they can lead us into a debt trap with interest rates that can soar to staggering heights. The cycle of minimum payments, high interest rates, and the constant struggle to break free is not just a financial burden, but it can easily create an emotional roller coaster. So, education and career growth. Once a symbol of success, the dream home becomes a financial anchor. Foreclosure, a word that strikes fear into the hearts of homeowners, becomes a reality for some who fall victim to housing overspending. The once proud homeowners are in dire straits, facing the harsh reality of losing the very asset they worked so hard to attain. To escape the perils of housing overspending, you must embrace the concept of practical homeownership. It's about finding the balance between having a comfortable home and maintaining financial security. Start by realistically assessing your budget and determining how much home you can afford without compromising your financial well-being. This includes factoring in the mortgage and property taxes, maintenance, and other associated costs. Consider alternative locations or smaller homes that align with your budget. Remember, a home is more than just its size or location. It's about creating a space that complements your lifestyle without sacrificing financial stability. Be cautious with adjustable rate mortgages and high interest loans. Opt for fixed rate mortgages that provide stability and predictability in monthly payments, safeguarding you from sudden interest rate hikes. 3. Unplanned parenthood. This is a sobering reality that many middle-class families face. The joy of expanding our families can come with a hefty price tag, catching us off guard and potentially derailing our financial plans. Let's delve into the challenges of unexpected parenting costs and how they can become a formidable money trap. When the stork pays an unexpected visit, it brings joy and a host of unplanned expenses. From diapers and formula to cribs and medical bills, the costs associated with raising a child can skyrocket, putting immense strain on the finances of middle-class families. Unplanned parenthood expenses are like a financial tornado. They whirl in unexpectedly, leaving a trail of financial challenges in their wake. Many new parents diligently budget for the essentials: diapers, clothing, and baby gear. However, what often catches them off guard are the less obvious expenses. Medical bills, unexpected health issues, and childcare costs can quickly accumulate, turning a carefully crafted budget into a financial minefield. Many middle-class parents struggle to balance work and childcare. Families must be proactive in their financial planning to navigate the parenthood expense trap. Adjusting the budget to accommodate new expenses, exploring cost-saving measures, and seeking out financial assistance programs are all essential steps. And there you have it, a deep dive into the sea of middle-class money traps. From the allure of frequent dining out to the challenges of unexpected parenting expenses and the consequences of ignoring financial education, we've explored the twists and turns that can impact the financial well-being of middle-class families. Remember, financial well-being is a journey, not a destination. By arming ourselves with knowledge, making conscious choices, and learning from the experiences of others, we pave the way for a more secure and fulfilling financial future.